Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a complete affiliate program for your Shopify store from start to finish. So by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional affiliate program where other people can promote your products for you and you only pay them when they actually make sales. We're going to cover everything from installing the app to setting up commissions, customizing your affiliate portal, and getting your first affiliates signed up. We've got a lot to cover in this video, so let's not waste any time and jump right into it. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is get the UpPromote app installed on your Shopify store. Head over to your Shopify dashboard, go to the menu on the left under apps and click add. A pop-up will appear, scroll to the bottom and click Shopify App Store. This will take you to the main app marketplace where we can find UpPromote. Now in the search bar at the top, simply type affiliate and hit enter. You'll see a bunch of different affiliate apps pop up, but we want to look for UpPromote specifically. It should be one of the first results with that 4.9 star rating I mentioned. Click on the UpPromote app and you'll see all the details about pricing and features. As you can see, they have a solid free plan that includes everything we need to get started. Go ahead and click install on the left side and then install app again. The app will now be added to your store. This usually takes just a few seconds. Perfect. Now that the app is installed, you'll be redirected to the UpPromote setup page. You'll get a question asking if you have any affiliates. I'll just choose I don't have any affiliates, then click on recruit affiliates. Now we're getting to the important stuff. The first decision you need to make is how you want to track your affiliate sales. UpPromote gives you two options here. You can track by affiliate link only, or you can also add coupon tracking. I recommend leaving the coupon option turned on because it gives your affiliates more flexibility. Basically, if you give your affiliates a special discount code, the system will automatically track those sales back to the right affiliate. Next up is the commission type, and this is crucial. You'll see three options: percent of sale, flat rate per item, and flat rate per order. Now 99% of the time you want to go with percent of sale because it incentivizes your affiliates to actually drive higher value orders. Think about it. If you're paying a flat rate, it doesn't matter if an affiliate brings you a $10 sale or a $1,000 sale, they make the same money. But with percentage-based commissions, they're motivated to promote your higher priced products. For the commission amount, the default is 10%, but you can adjust this based on your margins. If you've got healthy margins, you might go 15% or even 20%. Just make sure you run the numbers so you're still profitable after paying the affiliate commission. Once you've got that set up, click Save and Next to move forward. Alright, so now the system wants us to create a test affiliate account. This is actually really helpful because it lets us see exactly what the affiliate experience will be like. Click Create. Then you need to enter a password, confirm it, and click Create. Next, click on Activate Account to activate your affiliate account. Check this slider and you're all set. Once you are done, click Next. UpPromote will generate your unique referral link. Click on it to test it, add your email in this field, and click Sign Up. Then close this tab. Then click Next. Back in UpPromote, you'll need to select how you want to pay out your affiliates. Now you've got several options here: PayPal, bank transfer, debit card, and a few others. PayPal is usually the easiest to start with since most people have PayPal accounts. Select PayPal, then click Save and Next. You'll be asked to subscribe to a paid plan. Just click Continue without subscribing at the top right. Don't worry, you can always change this later or add multiple payout methods. Now that the basic setup is done, let's make this affiliate program look professional and match your brand. Click on Programs in the left sidebar and you'll see your default affiliate commission program. Click on it to open up the settings. Here's where you can really customize everything to fit your business. First, let's update the description to something more compelling than the default text. The commission structure section is where you can get more advanced. Right now it's set to simple, which means everyone gets the same commission rate. But if you click advanced, you can set up tiered commissions based on order value. This can be really powerful for incentivizing bigger sales. For now, let's keep it simple, but just know that option is there when you're ready to scale up. For now, I'll keep everything as default and don't forget to save the changes. Now let's add some tools to help your affiliates be more successful. Click on the Motivations tab on the left side. The first thing you can set up is coupon codes for your affiliates. Click Manage Coupons, and you can create discount codes that affiliates can share with their audience. For example, you might create a 15% discount code that affiliates can promote. To add a coupon, select an affiliate from the drop-down, then enter the coupon code. You can set it as product discount, order discount, or free shipping. I usually set it to order discount and choose percentage instead of fixed amount. I usually recommend percentage discounts because they work well for different order sizes. The media gallery is another powerful feature. This is where you can upload product images, videos, logos, and other promotional materials that your affiliates can use. The easier you make it for affiliates to promote your products, the more likely they are to actually do it. Some of the other features like gifts and bonuses are only available on paid plans, but the free plan gives you everything you need to get started. Alright, so now we need to make it easy for people to find and join your affiliate program. The first step is to copy your affiliate registration link. You'll find this in the main dashboard. It should be prominently displayed. Copy that link, then we need to add it to your store's navigation. Go back to your Shopify dashboard and click on content from the menu on the left and menus. Under main menu, you should see your main menu items. Now click add menu item and name it something like affiliate program or just affiliate. Paste in the link you copied from UpPromote and click add. Don't forget to click save menu to make the changes live. Now when people visit your store, they'll see the affiliate link and easily sign up to promote your products. And let's make sure everything is working properly by testing the affiliate experience. Go to your store's front end and click on the affiliate link we just added. You should see your branded registration form. Try filling it out with a test email to make sure the process works smoothly. Once you're registered, you'll see the affiliate dashboard. Here it says your account is not yet activated. That's because you need to wait for the business owner to approve you first. So I'll go back to my UpPromote dashboard and click on affiliates. And as you can see, the test affiliate account we created is shown here. All you need to do is approve it and it's all set. Now back to the test affiliate account. This is where your affiliates will get their unique referral links, track their earnings, see their commission structure, and access any promotional materials you've uploaded. The dashboard shows them their affiliate link, any coupon codes you've assigned, their commission rate, and their payment settings. It's pretty comprehensive and gives affiliates everything they need to start promoting. You can also see how the payment setup works from the affiliate side. They'll need to add their PayPal email or bank details to receive payments. And there you have it. You now have a fully functional affiliate program set up on your Shopify store. Let me quickly recap what we've accomplished. We installed UpPromote, configured our commission structure with percentage-based payouts, customized the registration form and dashboard to match our brand, set up coupon codes and promotional materials for affiliates, and added the affiliate link to our store's navigation. Your affiliate program is now live and ready to start bringing in new sales. The next step is actually recruiting affiliates, which could be existing customers, influencers in your niche, or other content creators who align with your brand. Remember, the key to a successful affiliate program is making it as easy as possible for people to promote your products and ensuring they're properly incentivized with competitive commission rates. If this tutorial helped you set up your affiliate program, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the setup process. I read every comment and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into advanced strategies for recruiting and managing your affiliates.